Hi guys, I just have to show you the craziest little blender that just got delivered. This little Leegoal. Notice it is cordless, okay? I'm not gonna believe how crazy convenient this thing is. Okay, so, lid. I'm just gonna make a very quick couple ingredient smoothie so I can show you how it blends. But, okay. So, with that, blends it up. And then, blade comes off. And the bottom goes on. Ta-da! Smoothie! How awesome is this gonna be to take to work with me? Keep the ingredients in the fridge, not have to pack along my big blender. It's like super powerful for how tiny it is. And then you just plug it into charge. This is seriously a game changer for me. I love it.